Hello everyone. I was doing some minor work yesterday using my Klein wire stripper, the model 1019, when I noticed that the upper cushion of the handle was slowly slipping off. To my surprise, I found out that it is quite easy to remove this. So I also pulled out the lower cushion of the handle and it just popped right off that easily. So what I will do today is try and fix this using this Mighty Band instant glue. Mighty Band is a very strong instant adhesive, so I have to be very quick in working with it, otherwise I won't be able to return the cushions in the handles. I'll just wait for 2 or 3 hours before testing this wire stripper again. Here it is now. The band is very strong and it is permanent. I won't be able to remove the cushions now unless I totally destroy this. The Mighty Band has been an effective solution to this problem. If you are aware of any other way, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.